Many years ago in the United States, brave soldiers worked hard to protect their country and keep people safe. Some soldiers lost their lives while helping others and defending freedom. After the wars ended, families and friends wanted to remember the soldiers who had died. They visited cemeteries and placed flowers on the soldiers' graves. They also carried flags and held parades to honor them. Over time, this special day became known as Memorial Day. It is celebrated every year on the last Monday of May in the United States. On Memorial Day, many people place American flags and flowers at cemeteries, watch parades, spend time with family, remember and thank soldiers who sacrificed their lives. Memorial Day is not only a holiday for fun and picnics. It is also a day to show respect, gratitude, and remembrance for brave people who helped protect the country.
关注我，带你走进美国小学的校园生活。我们下期再见。